Hi, I'm Teresa House, and now I want to show you how to make a mango pineapple smoothie. Both mangoes and pineapples are both great sources of antioxidants and phytochemicals, and they're actually a good source of calcium. Mangoes have strong anti-cancer benefits because they have over 25 phytochemicals in them. So to make this recipe, all you need is a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, a 1/4 cup of chopped mango, a half a banana, a half a cup of light almond milk, and 1 cup of ice. You'll add everything to your blender. Blend it on a low level for the first minute until all the chunks are blended up. And then you can slowly increase the speed to froth up your smoothie. This recipe has only 138 calories, will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth, and it is full of tons of health benefits.